Hello traders, in this lesson we will try to find the Fibonacci cluster and a good trade setup in the currency pair AUDCAD. I choose this currency pair because it has these nice swings, the trend is rising, and this last fall is a retrace that I think will not last long and that the price will start in the direction of the initial trend. From the lowest bottom to the last important top on the graphic, we will stretch the Fibonacci. Okay, levels 23.6 and 38.2 are breached, and the first level of support that is important for us now is the level of 50%. We will no longer mark the levels, but please pay a little more attention to this level. What do you think? Is this a strong level of support? If you think it is, you're right. And why is that? So, look at how many times lately the price of this level has bounced. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, even 5 times. For this reason, there is no need to look for Fibonacci clusters at other levels because this zone is quite good. Of course, we will try to find another confirmation for trade setup at this level. So we will continue with Fibonacci. Now we'll start Fibonacci from the next important bottom. Okay, we'll mark the level of 61.8. This level is very close to the first market level, which is 50% Fibonacci retracement over a longer period of time or the entire wave. Now we've got a support zone that consists of 2 Fibonacci levels at different periods of time and 5 previous bottoms. We'll move the Fibonacci to the next bottom. The next bottom is in our zone, so we'll only move the Fibonacci to the next bottom to see if any level of extension is in the market zone. Okay, the first level of the Fibonacci extension is near the market zone. Okay, we'll mark this level. We'll move the Fibonacci to the next bottom. Great. The most important level of the Fibonacci extension of 161.8 is at the same level as of 127.2 from the previous swing. We have finished with Fibonacci. Let's move on. We said that in this zone we have 5 previous bottoms. Some of them are a little below the zone of support, but we will not move the zone downwards so as not to miss the trade. We'll connect these 2 bottoms to get a trend line. The price is currently on the trend line, so it's possible that the price will bounce off from this line now, but I would still wait for the price to enter the market zone and then I would open a buy trade. Let's just see what the RSI indicator says. The indicator is located in the oversold zone, which means we have a buy signal. If you do not know how to use the RSI indicator, do not worry, I will explain it in one of the following lessons. Great, we have an ideal trade situation. I will enter trade on this first line, while I will place the stop loss below these previous bottoms. That would be all for today. This zone is really good for a trade setup, and whether the price jumps from this zone or breaches it, I would always set a trade in such situations. See you.